The Ministry of Health is reporting that 110 suspected cases of the acute respiratory infection influenza have been recorded at public health facilities across the island since the start of the year. Director for Emergency Disaster Management and Special Services in the Ministry of Health, Dr. Nicole Dawkins, says some of the cases resulted from influenza caused by H1N1 virus. She says 6 H1N1 cases have been confirmed. 3 of those confirmed died from the virus. Broadcaster Alan Magnus this morning revealed that his wife died from complications associated with the highly contagious virus. His wife, Caroline Kerry Magnus, died last week. He's calling for the Ministry of Health to raise awareness about the dangers of the influenza A H1N1 virus and its presence in Jamaica.
Kerry's death, well, not the death certificate, but the paper we got from the hospital states that that is what she died from. And it's a killer. It devastates you. It destroys your lungs. You can't breathe. And you eventually pass away from lack of oxygen in the blood or some other organ that has failed because it's not getting the required amount of oxygen.